Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can remove credit or debit card on Temu. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is after you open Temu, you want to click on U at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on U, you can see the option called setting at the bottom. If you don't see it, you can always scroll up and click on settings. Now from inside settings, you can see the option called your payment methods. Click on it. From over here, all of the card which you have added on your account is going to be shown, whether it's credit or debit, doesn't matter. So you just want to click on your card. After you click on your card, it'll show you the option called remove card. You want to click on remove card and it's going to show you, are you sure? You want to click on yes and your card will be removed. Now remember, if you remove your card from Temu app, you cannot use the card again, which means until you relink it again, you are not going to be able to use that card. But in the future, if you want to, you can again relink it and use it as a payment method. So don't worry about it. So I hope you understand how we guys can remove your credit or debit card on Temu. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.